In this video we take a look at the high-frequency radio HC4500, and will send an urgency DSC message to another station. After the devices are turned on, we first press TX call button. Here we can choose the type of DSC call. We select the fourth entry, for more options and select extended. We want to send our DSC call to all stations. So we select the appropriate entry. As a category we choose urgency. For the transmission we use single sideband modulation. Because we need a doctor, we choose medical. Here we adjust our working DSC frequency. Finally we confirm our choice. Our urgency DSC call is ready to be transmitted. We press send. Last but not least, we say yes, and hold down the third button for 3 seconds. As you can see, the transmission has started on the frequency we have selected. The second radio has received the call, and responds with a beep. The display shows the type of DSC, in our case, all ships, and the sender's MMSI. We pick up the phone, and can actually start talking. But speaking is currently not the topic. Instead, let's look at the DSC message currently stored on this device. We press the log button. Then we choose normal, for common messages. At the same time we see the last received DSC call with all information, such as time, type, sender, or category. To see more details, we choose more. Here we also see that it was a medical message. In this video we have seen how to send and receive an urgency DSC call using a high-frequency radio, HC4500, within LRC-Tutor, by Frey Software. Thank you for watching this video.